Hey everybody, it's Sunday, October, I think it's the 17th. I've been in the hospital since Friday for a C. diff infection from being on long-term antibiotics for too long. So I basically had to stop my Lyme treatment until I get rid of the C. diff. And the medicine that they treat it with, the vancomycin, it can be given by IV, but it doesn't go through the gut, so it wouldn't cure the infection that I had from the antibiotics. So I have to take it by mouth, and it's liquid. And who in their right mind would make something that tastes so freaking bad? It tastes how gasoline smells. It's awful. Awful. And drier than the driest red wine you can imagine. It's gross. Anyway, I've had some good nurses, had a good experience this time. When I had my lung surgery, I did not have a good experience, but all my nurses have been sweet this time because I'm actually on the female floor, which is the 5th floor recovery for babies, the baby nursery, and delivery. The nurses are really sweet, and I'm getting kind of sleepy from the medicine they gave me for nausea, so I'll be back later.